132, also lockable door, 12 square meters, size of a normal master bedroom. Can easily fit a double bed or 2 single beds, 2 desks, 2 chairs, wardrobe, shelving, and a place to hang the clothes, covered by a curtain to cover the cupboard, full-length mirror. This room has got 2 plug points on both sides of the room, retractable washing line, curtains included, newly painted, newly tiled. Light works with an app from your cell phone to put it on and off, to lay in your bed and be able to work your light.